A model called Claude Mythos, developed by Anthropic, was never meant to be public yet. But due to a leak, details about it are now circulating, and what they suggest is a clear shift in how AI is evolving. Most AI tools today, including Claude AI, work in a simple loop. You give an instruction, the system responds, and then it waits. Every step depends on you. Claude Mythos appears to change that model. Instead of handling one request at a time, it is being designed to take a broader objective and manage the process on its own. That means it can break a task into smaller steps, decide what to do first, and continue working without needing constant input. For example, instead of asking an AI to write a report, you could assign it a goal. It could gather data, analyze it, structure the content, and refine the output without being guided step by step. This is closer to task execution than simple response generation. Another important shift is how it handles reasoning. Current models are good, but they can lose track in longer or more complex tasks. They might contradict themselves or miss details over time. The information around Mythos suggests that it maintains better consistency across extended interactions, which makes it more reliable for structured work. This matters more than it sounds, because once an AI can stay consistent, plan ahead, and execute tasks in sequence, it becomes useful for much more than writing or answering questions. It starts becoming something that can manage workflows. That's where the caution begins. The same capability that allows an AI to complete useful tasks can also be misused if there are no strong limitations in place. This is one of the main reasons why Anthropic is reportedly not rushing to release this model publicly. Instead, it is likely being tested in controlled environments with limited access. There's also the practical side. Models at this level require significant computing power. Running them at scale is expensive, which means even if they are ready, they may not be immediately available to everyone. It's also worth keeping in mind that all of this comes from leaked information, not official confirmation. Some details may change, and some may be incomplete, but even with that uncertainty, the direction is clear. AI is moving away from systems that only respond toward systems that can operate, and Claude Mythos appears to be part of that transition. Not just answering questions, but handling tasks from start to finish.